I'm back with another product review from Hansshow Auto.
These are LED projection lights for the doors on your Model 3, Model Y, S, or X.
It's another keeper in my own limited collection of Tesla accessories. Let's get straight into the unboxing. As I open up the boxes here, I have to point out that these lights are pretty universal in that you can use them with a Model 3, a Model Y, an S, or an X. And that includes all of the older and the refreshed models. You can choose from 64 vibrant colors and dynamic modes, including a solid color, breathing, gradient fade, color cycle, and custom combinations, giving your Tesla a unique and personalized welcome lighting experience. These have high brightness LEDs and precision lenses that project a sharp 3D Tesla logo with the Tesla letters underneath. It comes with an automatic welcome feature, which means that the lights turn on automatically when the doors open and they turn off when the doors are closed. This creates a luxurious, eye-catching entry effect every single time you open the doors. These also have plug-and-play installation. They connect directly to Tesla's original connectors, and you can install them in a matter of minutes without any drilling, wiring, or modifying your vehicle in any elaborate way. Another thing that I learned is that these are pretty durable. They're also weatherproof. They're created from heat-resistant materials, and they also prevent dust from entering inside of the doors. The Puddle lights perform reliably in rain, snow, and harsh environments, and these newer versions of these Puddle lights come with upgraded lamp units that provide a uniform projection without any dark spots. This ensures a smooth and premium glow effect on the ground. You know, sometimes it's the little things in life that make a difference, and these certainly bring a smile to my face every time I open up the doors. Now, you can get these Puddle lights for all 4 of your doors for $89.99. And if you use a discount code like TechGeek for 20% off, that drops to $72. Or you could get just 2 lights for, let's say, the front door and the passenger door for $59.99. And again, using a discount code like TechGeek drops that price down to $48. That's not too bad considering this comes with free shipping. So in summary, I think these Puddle lights are pretty cool. It's a nice addition for an older or a newer Tesla. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, feel free to chat with me down below. Thanks so much for watching, and until the next one, have a great day.